I'm a regular at this particular conference because it is actually one of the best sort of gatherings, I suppose, for people involved in teaching, tourism and leisure. And I think sometimes after a long year of being stuck in your own institution, it's really nice to get out and see other colleagues, and it's very international. In fact, this is the first time that this conference has actually been held in the UK, and this conference has taken me to some very far-flung parts of Europe, so it's always good fun. I'm a Programme Area Director for Tourism and Events at my university, so it's really useful to make these contacts, to get to know people. If you need external examiners, you make friends and you know who to go to. So I'm really here just for the networking. Obviously to find out about what's kind of cutting edge research amongst my peers, and it's kind of good fun as well. You know, there's a lot to be gained from socialising as well as from the workshop sessions.
And could you give something like a comment about the title of the conference, Selling or Telling?
Selling or Telling, yes. Well, it's about the sort of the paradox of heritage. You know, should heritage be about learning and telling stories and about the past and its important role in the present, or is it about the commodification of the past, and are we selling or exploiting our past now? You know, are we using our past to make money in the present? So I suppose it's that. I suppose that's what the paradox is that we're discussing.
And what do you think about would you have something like an answer to the paradox, or could you solve it?
Well, no, but I think and tourism, the tourism industry is all about quarrying images, cultures. There's nothing new under the sun, really, and the contemporary use of the past. I think some might be, horrified at its commodification and commercialisation, but it's really, if you look back through history, it's always happened. And some of the traditions that we hold dear and think of as being very authentic are actually quite modern and have been created for some fairly kind of political or economic reasons. So I'm not sure that there is such a thing as true authentic sort of heritage history that should be polished and kept in glass cases anyway. I mean, culture's always evolving. So it's interesting to see the different sides in this debate, and it's as ever it's a multi-stranded sort of discussion about culture, place, people, and how we all interact. Really, that's why tourism is such a fascinating subject, because it's a meeting point of so many disciplines, and it's such an interesting area for that reason.